All right, before we begin, I'm not providing medical, psychological, or legal advice. If you need clinical or professional care, consult a licensed provider. This is not therapy. This is not emotional handholding. This is fatherhood leadership training and accountability. It is rooted in biblical standards, responsibility, and truth. I operate with discipline, wisdom, and order. Note internet recklessness. Men are quitting their families and calling it healing. It's not a sacrifice, but an escape. And the culture, they applaud it. So we're not going to be doing excuses today. We're naming what's happening and why. If you left your position as a father and a leader and told yourself it was growth, this may be for you. So here's the conflict modern fathers face. There's comfort versus responsibility, ego versus leadership, and avoidance versus obedience. See, the culture will say, if it hurts, walk away. If it's hard, detach. Protect your peace, protect yourself. So while you're busy thinking about you, your children are left emotionally abandoned. You see, leadership has never been peaceful, and responsibility has never been convenient. When men choose comfort over their roles and responsibilities to their children pay the price. Kids don't inherit your intentions, they inherit your mood or your absence. A father I worked with, he loved his kids, paid support, but he stopped leading. There was no structure, no discipline, no presence. That cost him everything. Years later, his son didn't hate him. Worse, his son expected nothing from him. And that's the real damage. See, in 1 Corinthians 16:13 in New King James Version, it says, "Watch, stand fast in the faith, be brave, be strong." The context matters. See, the scripture is correcting disorder, immaturity, and emotional stability. Men avoiding responsibility. Be brave does not mean dominance. It means restraint, responsibility, moral strength under pressure. Modern men twist this verse. They either weaponize strength or abandon it entirely. See, biblical masculinity stands its post even when it costs comfort. Fatherhood is not self-expression. It is stewardship. So here's 3 commitments. Okay, no negotiation. Commitment number 1, this week, initiate one hard conversation with your child. No defensiveness. Okay. Number 2, set one clear boundary and enforce it calmly without an apology. Number 3, eliminate one comfort habit that replaces leadership starting tonight. Immediately. Okay. This will be uncomfortable, but you have to do this. If you lead, your house changes. If you don't, you remain a spectator in your own family. There is no neutral ground. So there's a starting point for the nice guy dad. When conflict happens, there's an avoidant pattern. He avoids discipline to keep peace. The cost? Kids stop listening to his authority, and his authority collapses. The correction: set clear standards consistently and follow through calmly and firmness. The results, you'll get respect returned before affection does. Leadership always comes first. So here's another example. My ex won't let me. Leadership doesn't need permission. My kids don't respect me. Okay, respect follows standards, not speeches. I'm too busy. No, you're prioritizing elsewhere. I'm doing my best. Your best produce these results, so it's time for a change. So the turning point is always a decision. New standards, new boundaries, new actions. No threats, no rage, no emotional bargaining, just consistency. Comfort makes spectators. Responsibility makes fathers. So here's the challenge for you. For 7 days, speak one clear expectation. Follow through once, remove one distraction, one hard conversation, one firm boundary, one accountability check. If you won't be accountable, don't pretend you're serious. So I call this false healing test. If your healing reduces responsibility, that will weaken the structure, and the distance will come from your children. It is not healing, it is an escape wearing spiritual language. So here's some Q&As for you. What if my kids resist? Well, they will. Leadership isn't a vote at all. Self-care is important. After duty, not before. What if I already failed? Then start now. Delay multiplies damage. What about co-parenting limits? You control your own standards. How do I stay consistent? Structure beats motivation always. So all right, that's it. We covered a lot. If this brought you clarity and cut through the cultural noise, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you stay locked in. And do me a favor, share this with one father who's trying. He's putting in effort, reading books, watching content, and still notices that his family is falling apart or he doesn't have the tools that he needs. He doesn't need more motivation. He needs standards and structure. If you want to start with a framework you can actually live out, download my free Fatherhood Action Guide. The link is in the description. It's simple, it's practical, and it's built for men who want to lead their families without collapsing under pressure. And for those who want more than random advice and surface level encouragement, so you can apply for my private online group called Purpose Driven Fatherhood, The Inner Circle. This is not therapy group. This is not a hype community. This is a curated room for serious fathers who want accountability, clarity, and order in their home. Inside you'll get weekly structured, clear leadership standards, biblical truth that you can apply, and real accountability. That's the most important part. So you're not just trying to be a good dad, you're becoming a consistent one. Hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell. New episodes drop on Sundays around 5 p.m. on YouTube, and we're going to put it on Rumble too. I'm Jesse Anderson. Lead your house, stand your post, stop outsourcing your responsibilities, and we'll see you next time.